Hello again, everyone. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate the copy functions available in mPower. Sometimes you'll have spreadsheets that maybe you've combined data from several sources, and maybe the numeric columns are with or without commas and or maybe decimals. Dates may be in different formats. And this gives you options to put them in the same format, as well as you can copy values and formulas from one cell to the next. In this case, I'm going to want to copy my highlighted line here because I like the commas and the date format to all other rows that do not have a blank date went platinum. So first of all, I'm going to use my little filter here to hide the blanks. Now I've just got the list of all these records that show a date that went platinum. So now if I just highlight this entire row and hit copy formats, what it does is it sees that it's filtered, so it gives me the choice to apply this to only the filtered records or all records. Well, I only want it to the filtered records, so I'll select this. And now if I undo my filters, you'll see that just the filtered records now have this format applied, and the ones that were hidden are left untouched. Now let's say I've got some calculation I need of the sales, maybe sales plus 10%. So I'm going to say plus this plus this times 0.1. So now I've got, oh, okay, there we go. So that's gives me a 10% increase in these sales. And I want to apply this formula to the other rows like I did the formats. And again, let's say I only want it to the date that went platinum, if that's populated. So I'm going to hide this again. I'm going to go down to where I put that formula. So if I just select this and hit copy formula, it works just identical to the way that I did with the formats, and it allows me to copy it to the filtered rows or the entire sheet. And again, I'm going to say, well, in this case, I'm going to say all records. So there we go. It just applied it to all records. And now if I unfilter, you'll see that, yes, not only did it apply it to the rows that I had filtered, but it applied it to all other rows. So that shows you that the copy formula and formats work basically the same. One just does the format, and the other does actual formula or a value within a cell. If that was a fixed value, it would have copied it to every row that I had selected for copying it to. We also have the format to values if I want to convert these, because I don't want to have formulas in my cells. So again, I'm going to filter. And I'm going to highlight this and say formulas to values. And again, I'm presented with, do I want to do it for the entire sheet? Because a lot of times you just might want to convert all your formulas. The selected column or the filtered records in the selected column. So I'm just going to say filtered records in the selected column. So it just converted them. And if I open my filter up again, you'll see that these are now numbers. But when I get down to the formula or the value here, it's still the formula because it did not convert that. So it gives you that kind of flexibility. As you can see, this is very flexible in how you'd want to manage this process.